Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Judge Jesse G. Reyes. I'm a current sitting judge. I'm an endorsed Democratic candidate for the Sheila O'Brien vacancy. And in that capacity as a candidate, I bring 14 years of experience as a trial court judge. I've had the opportunity to sit in a variety of different assignments in the Circuit Court of Cook County. I've been over criminal matters, misdemeanor matters, and civil matters. I actually served in Markham for a couple years. I've been in domestic violence court. I've presided over jury trials, and I've also presided in traffic court as well. Currently, I'm in the Chancery Division. One of the reasons why I'm proud of my current assignment with regards to the mortgage foreclosures mechanics liens is when the wave of foreclosures was starting to come in, Chief Judge Timothy Evans recognized this fact, and he selected judges out of the Circuit Court of Cook County to handle these matters because he wanted judges who were sensitive to the issues and sensitive to the communities and the concerns. I, along with Judge Lewis Nixon, are still the only two judges that are sitting in that assignment. The other part that I'm proud of is that I have published extensively in terms of my opinions as well as legal publications nationally, locally, and statewide. When I was in traffic court, I had a very difficult case where I rendered a decision that my colleagues to this day still rely on. It's called People versus Brazino. It was a case that went up on the appeals and the appellate court affirmed me, and it's still the case law that a lot of the judges in traffic court utilize. In mortgage foreclosures, Household versus Lewis, I had a decision where I had an opportunity based on the statute and using my judicial discretion to extend the period when a homeowner can still negotiate with the bank. In Mers versus Barnes, I determined the issue, constitutional issue, of standing. So with regards to analysis of cases, analysis of the statute, and making those tough decisions and not going with the flow, I have done that throughout my judicial career. I have also been appealed a number of times. I've never been overturned. The only one that I was overturned on, the Illinois Supreme Court affirmed me. With regards to my bar ratings, I have been found highly qualified, highly recommended, and qualified by all the bar associations. I've served as an associate judge and I've served as a circuit court judge. And every time that I have appeared in front of the bar associations, I have always been found qualified and recommended for the positions. I've also believed in public service on and off the bench. I was president of the Illinois Judges Association. In that capacity, all the state court judges throughout the state bestowed that honor on me because they elected me to represent all the state court judges during my term in office as the president of the Illinois Judges Association. I was also president of the Illinois Judges Foundation. Now, I don't take these positions lightly. I actually utilize these positions to benefit the community. We worked with the seniors, we worked with the veterans, we worked with the young people in terms of creating programs for them like the book drive. One of the other things that I'm proud of is that I created a program when I was president of the Illinois Judges Foundation where we went into Cook County Jail. There's a high school in that jail, and there's young men and women, unfortunately, who are serving time for crimes that they committed. We go in there and we talk to them about turning their lives around. And we use examples like Judge Mathis, former U.S. Senator Alan Simpson, who were youthful offenders in their day, and now they became productive members of society. And we direct them in terms of where they can go in terms of their resources once they serve their time in Cook County Jail. So I bring public service, I bring experience, I bring a strong work ethic to the position of Illinois Appellate Court Justice. I've been endorsed by the Fraternal Order of Police, Chicago Fire's Local Number 2, IVI IPO, among other organizations. So on March 20, 2012, I asked you to consider me for the appellate court in the Sheila O'Brien vacancy. Vote for 122 because I'm working for you. And I'd be happy to take any questions. Thank you.